extracting metals top in the activity series, that is known as reactivity series. These metals are highly reactive. They are not reduced with reducing agent. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and aluminium. These metals are extracted by electrolytic reduction from their molten state. Extraction of sodium from sodium chloride, metal deposited at cathode and chlorine liberated at anode. See, the metals are highly reactive, very highly reactive. They cannot be obtained from their compounds by heating with carbon. For example, carbon cannot reduce the oxides of sodium, magnesium, calcium, aluminum, etc. to the respective metal. This is because these metals have more affinity for oxygen than carbon. These metals are obtained by electrolytic reduction method. This method is known as electrolytic reduction method. For example, sodium, magnesium, calcium are obtained by the electrolysis of their molten chloride. The metals are deposited at the cathode where the chlorine is liberated at the anode. The reaction is at cathode, sodium positive charge Na plus, it absorbs the one electron. There is a formation of sodium and chlorine. It undergoes reaction and it loses the two electrons. It gains. Similarly, aluminum is obtained by electrolytic reduction of aluminum oxide. Refining of metals. Electrolysis widely used for metal refining. When current is passed through it, impure metals dissolve into electrolyte. An equivalent amount of pure metal from solution deposited at cathode. The insoluble impurities settle down at the bottom of the anode is called anode mud. Okay, here there are two electrodes they will take. One is anode and another one is cathode. It is connected to the battery and there is a copper sulfate solution is in the beaker and they will connect. This is acidic copper sulfate solution. Then when battery is on, current is passed through the circuit. That time what it happens means copper is deposited at cathode and unwanted anode, and here in this process we will remove impurities. We will remove the impurities which must be removed, obtain pure metal. The most widely used method for refining impure metal is electrolytic refining method. Many metals such as copper, zinc, tin, nickel, silver, gold, etc. are refined by electrolytically. In this process, impure metal is made the anode and thin strip of pure metal made the cathode. A solution of metal salt is used as an electrolyte, that is copper sulfate. Pure metal from the anode dissolved into electrolyte. An equivalent amount of pure metal from the electrolyte is deposited on the cathode. The soluble impurity go into the solution, whereas insoluble impurity settle down at the bottom of the anode, that is known as anode mud.